Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. On today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to make an effective home remedy for sore throat, cough, cold, flu-like symptoms, or any respiratory issues that you might have. It's going to help you feel better and much more relieved. These are natural ingredients that you can easily lay your hands on in your kitchen. This ingredient works so fast to help you feel that relief. So we're going to be needing red or purple onions. Some people call it red onions, some people call it purple onions. Whatever. I kind of like this one because I think it's more powerful than the rest of the onions. And then ginger, lemon, cloves, and honey. So please stick around till the end of the video and see how and when I add all of those ingredients. This ingredient contains anti-inflammatory, antimicrobial, and antioxidant properties that's gonna help clear your lungs. It's gonna pull up that mucus and help you cough it out. It's gonna boost your immune system to fight that respiratory infection. And the lemon is going to help break the mucus and provide a kind of pain relief. The honey also is good, has a healing property. Lemon also is rich in vitamin C, and as far as vitamin C is concerned, it helps with immunity. It's going to boost your immunity and give it more power to fight the infection. I'm going to go ahead and blend the onion, ginger, and cloves together with 2 cups of water. This is gonna make it more effective, and at the same time it's gonna make it work even more faster. I'm gonna let it boil for 5 to 10 minutes and then take it off the stove and let it sit for some time just to let it cool to a comfortable temperature before straining it. I'm gonna add lemon juice and honey as the last thing. I'm gonna add 1 tablespoon of honey, and you have your powerful anti-inflammatory drink. This is so powerful and effective. It's gonna help you fight that respiratory infection. It works so fast. It's gonna help you boost your immunity, fight that infection, and help you and give you the relief that you need. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell, and also share the video to whoever is in need. Always remember to stay safe. God bless you, and see you in my next video.